After the bananas are harvested, their massive stems become valuable raw material. What was once agricultural waste is gathered before it can simply rot in the field. Specialized collection equipment moves the bulky waste toward its first processing destination.
The harvested fruit has left the field, but the plant itself is now beginning a second life.
Inside the facility, every load is directed into a controlled processing route. The first industrial step is simply moving this difficult agricultural waste into the processing line. Before valuable fibers can be recovered, the raw material must be cleaned of unwanted debris.
The oversized stalks are now prepared for mechanical fiber extraction.
Mechanical force begins separating the long fibers hidden inside the discarded stems.
From discarded banana stems, the first usable fibers are now ready for industrial refinement.
The extracted fibers now enter the cleaning stage, where natural residue must be removed.
Controlled washing removes soil, sap, and loose plant material without destroying the valuable fibers.
Multiple rinsing stages leave the fibers cleaner and ready for controlled moisture removal.
Mechanical pressing removes excess moisture before the fibers can be refined further. Skilled inspection ensures that only suitable fibers continue toward textile production. Mechanical grading creates a more consistent raw material for the textile process.
Moisture is monitored closely because the next stages depend on controlled fiber conditions.
Controlled drying brings the fibers to a stable moisture level for mechanical refinement.
The fibers are opened into a more workable form, revealing their textile potential. Clean, dry, and graded, the banana fibers are ready for their transformation into textile material. Here, the cleaned banana fibers begin their transformation into a controlled textile feedstock.
Carding separates tangled fibers and begins aligning them into a continuous material.
Controlled alignment gives the irregular agricultural fibers a more consistent structure. Drafting reduces variation and prepares the fibers for controlled strand formation. A carefully controlled blend helps create a stronger and more workable textile material. Continuous mechanical mixing creates a consistent fiber composition across the production batch. The loose fiber mixture is now concentrated into continuous strands ready for spinning. Precision spinning converts the prepared fibers into continuous textile yarn.
The spun yarn is carefully wound into stable packages for the next textile stage.
From agricultural waste to engineered yarn, the material is now ready to become fabric.
The engineered yarn now enters the stage where it becomes continuous textile fabric.
Automated tension control keeps every strand moving at precisely regulated pressure. Thousands of precise needle movements transform yarn into a seamless textile structure. Every stitch is formed continuously under controlled industrial tension. Automated take-up keeps the newly formed fabric stable and evenly organized. Before cutting, the fabric must settle so its final dimensions remain consistent. Precision spreading prepares the fabric for accurate garment cutting. Computer-controlled cutting turns continuous fabric into precisely shaped garment components. Every cut component is organized into complete garment sets before assembly.
The fabric has been shaped, sorted, and is now ready to become a finished garment. Precision stitching begins turning individual panels into a complete garment. Each seam is reinforced while excess fabric is trimmed away for a clean finish. The inner construction is carefully assembled for durability and comfort. Elastic components are measured precisely to provide a consistent finished fit. Controlled tension allows the waistband to recover smoothly while remaining securely attached.
Every curved edge receives a precise finish designed for strength and flexibility.
Loose threads are removed so every garment leaves the assembly line clean and precise.
Controlled steam gives the fabric a smooth appearance without damaging its structure. Precise measurements verify that each garment matches the required production specifications. The finished garments now enter the final stage, where their quality and performance are tested. Before packaging, every production batch passes through detailed quality control checks. Critical seams are inspected closely because small defects can affect garment durability. Laboratory testing measures how the textile behaves under controlled mechanical stress. Stretch recovery is measured to verify consistent performance during repeated use. Fabric weight is checked to maintain consistency throughout the production batch.
Visual inspection confirms that the finished textile meets the required appearance standard.
Dimensional checks ensure every garment is produced within controlled tolerances. Digital traceability connects the finished garments back to their production batch. Only garments that pass the required checks are released for final preparation. With quality confirmed, the finished garments move into their final packaging and distribution stage. The finished garments are now precisely folded for presentation and shipment. Each unit receives identification, linking it to its production and quality records. Automated packaging protects the finished product during storage and transportation. Automated inspection catches packaging errors before products leave the factory. Individual products are grouped into shipping cartons for efficient distribution.
Automated palletizing organizes thousands of garments into stable shipping loads.
Secured pallets move into organized finished goods storage, awaiting shipment. From the warehouse, finished garments begin their journey toward markets around the world. What began as discarded banana plant material has now become a finished textile product ready for global distribution.
And this is how modern factories turn banana plant waste into women's underwear from start to finish.